Hello guys, again my name is Andrew of course, and today we have another product for unboxing, reviewing and testing. This is a new product from Livarnolux dual LED neck light, approximately 36 lumen, 3 years warranty from Lidl, USB, and let's see some specs. This is a USB charging for 2 separate LED spotlights that can be switched on independently with 3 lights modes. Well, we're going to find out. We've got 3.7 volts, 650 milliamps battery. USB charging is 900 milliamps, 5 volts. Well, we have the USB, Type-C. Well, Lidl is upgrading the product. We've got a Type-C connection. That's nice, very nice. And last is this. Well, it feels very good. Remember that it will go around to your neck. You have some soft here because it will touch behind to your neck. So you closer, the material is very soft. Here is the Type-C connection, thumbs up again. The LED that it shows you that is charging on red and green is fully charged. 2 separate buttons that they start the LED. We've got one, is the low, medium and high. Same here. As you can see, it's doing a very great job on lighting, and this is a day now. In the dark, definitely you will see the difference around the neck, and then you can adjust it however you want, up, right, left, down, whatever is suitable for you. Maybe for reading in the night, you can put it in low. Let me show you. We get low, medium and large beam. That's a nice product, and it costs only 10 euros, and you can charge it with a Type-C. Thumbs up Lidl again. Adjust it however you can. Very nice. I love it, and the material is very soft, very nice, feels very nice to my hand. Well guys, that was all about this Livarnolux dual LED neck light. If you like it, just buy it, why not? Definitely will do the job. 10 euros, Type-C, is charging, 3 years warranty from Lidl, whatever else you need. And with all that guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you again for watching. Subscribe, share this video, you never know who may need it, and hit the notification bell because you don't want to miss new videos from me. Have a nice lovely day. Bye bye.